So guys, I got this Karcher WV50 spares and repairs of eBay. I'm going to see if I can repair it. So this is the listing that I got it from on eBay. I got it for £13.50 with £3.10 delivery. The description just says vacuum cleaner for parts are not working. I messaged the seller asking him what was actually wrong. He said the motor is not working properly. So let's have a look and see what we can do with it. So I've already got it a little bit open in the packaging. Let's see what's inside. They just got the normal manuals. Pretty old they look. Warranty card. Just a water bottle, I guess. Squeegee bit. Looks fine. So it's got the power supply. So this is a 5.5 volt 600 milliamps power supply. It's got one of the small figure 8 kind of connections. I think they use this for like shavers and stuff like that as well. But yeah, let's have a look. This is the actual motor. Looks fine. Condition's alright. Looks like it's been cleaned as well. Let's see what we can do. As soon as I'm pressing it, I can hear the motor trying to spin, but it's just not continuing. It's got this flashing red light now. Let's try that again. I don't know if you can hear it. It's like the motor's stuck. Yeah, so if the motor's stuck, I think it might just be jammed up with gunk maybe. Let's see if this power supply works. See if there's any voltage. Yeah, so it's got 5.4 volts coming out. That should be fine. Let's see what happens when I plug it in. So it is flashing. Probably means that it's charging. Cool, let's get this open. It's got a Torx bit on it. I'm not sure, this is a T7. Yeah, it seems to work. It's small though. It's T8. Yeah, that fits better. Some of the screws are too deep in. Can't get my screwdriver in. 1 minute. That's why I found the longer bit. Ah, there you go. I can already see where it is, I think. Looks like this rubber is not connected properly. That's holding the motor. Let me try to turn it on. Nah. You see that it's trying to spin. But it's just this rubber that's come off. Things like the grommet or something to hold the motor in place. This rubber thing, it's all chewed up. Let's see if it works without the seems powerful enough. It's got some weird sound to it though. Sounds a bit rusty. I think the bearings might just need a tiny little bit of oil. You can see there's a bit of rust around the ring in there. So I've got this spray, it's GT85. Prefer this than the other stuff. It's that WD40. Because it's got PTFE in it. I'm going to give it a little squirt. Maybe just on the back side. Nice. It already sounds better. Put this fan on it. Yeah, that sounds a lot better now. Yeah, so it's just this rubber that it's all chewed up. I think it must have got caught in the fan. Maybe if someone dropped it or just over time. You can see it's got a few dents in it, but I don't think that should matter. Cool. You can see it might have been rubbing against this. You can see the marks. might just give it some spray in there, just for good measure. It's quite simple how it works. I think that's it. Together, electric screwdriver. All the screws look the same size, so it doesn't matter. I'd rather do the ones that I can by hand. Sometimes I've cracked the plastic with electric screwdrivers. Yeah, I think this just pops back in. Before I do that, I'm just going to give it a quick clean. Just with some Dettol. Yeah, and that's it. Fully working Karcher. So yeah, just to recap, it's a Karcher WV50. The motor was stuck. I put it on eBay for parts and repair. Seems like the rubber was coming in the way of the motor and it just needed a little bit of lubrication inside. But yeah, so if you have this problem, hopefully you can fix yours. And thanks for watching my video.